Okay, in this video, I will going to do a video record for the midterm exam. I do have like two wrong minor question, which is 2 and 3. So let me start with 2. Determine if x of the following proposition is true or false. And then letter 3, which is number 3. I did wrong. Media and communication is belong to is false. It's false because it is listed as a combined major, not list individually for in the set so it means this is for. And then number 3 determines the true value of for the following. So C is it's for, so it asserts that for every real number x there exists a real number y such that the product of x and y is 10. However, this is not true for all real number x, as some value of x such as x equal to 0 would not have a corresponding y such that x plus x times y equal to 10. And the, this statement asserts that there exists a real number y such that for all real number x, the product of x and y is not 10. Since there is no such real number y for which the product of any x is not 10, this statement is false. And then E, it's true because this statement asserts that for every real number y, then there exists a real number x such that the product of x and y is 10. This is true because for any y different from 0, we can choose x equal to 10. 10 is over y such that x times y equal to 10. So the E is true. Okay, this is a video part 2 for midterm. So I will do the number 1, prove the statement. If an integer and if m is an integer and even integer and n is an even odd integer, then m and n is an even integer. Let's donate an even integer n equal to 2k and an odd integer as m equal to m plus 1, where can all are integer. So let time n and m, so the result we have 2a, which is an even integer, so therefore time n is an even integer. So 2, I choose to disprove the statement. For any set A, B, and C, if A union B equal to B union C, then A equal to C. Counter example. Let's consider the following set. A equal to, the set A is 1, 2, B 2, 3, and C 1, 2, 3. And now let's find the A union B and B union C. So we have A union B as 1, 2, 3, and B union C is 1, 2, 3. But A is different from C, so the statement for any set A, B, and C, if A union B and B union C, then A equal to C is disproved by counterexample. Now let's go to number 3. Express the act of the following statement. There is a student who borrow books and deserve a student room, so we can write it as for all students. There exists students V such that B of V and O of V, or there exists a student V such that student V borrow a book and deserve study room. And for 2, every student who attended to an educational event also borrow a books. So for all student V, if E of V, then B of V. Or for every student V, if student V attend an educational event, then the student V borrow a books. 3. No student who checks out a laptop reserve a study room. There doesn't exist a student V such that C of V and O of V, or there does not exist a student V such that student V check out a laptop and reserve study room. And for every student who borrow a book also attended an educational events. For all student V, If B of V, then E of V, or for every student V. If student V borrow a book, then student V attended to an education educational events. 5. There is a student who did not reserve a study room but check out a laptop. There exists a student V such that negative O of V and C of V, or there exists student V such that student V did not reserve a study room but check out a laptop.